How to remove your sponsor on Cash App. So doing a simple Google search, you will be able to see this tweet from your Cash App support. As you can see, to completely remove the sponsorship from your account, the account owner who approved the sponsorship would need to reach out the Cash App support. So you need to reach out the Cash App support. You can view the article on how to contact Cash App support. First thing first, tap the profile icon in your Cash App. Inside settings, scroll all the way down and then move into support. Inside support, you will see the option of start to chat at the bottom. All you want to do is click on it. Once you click on it, one chat box will appear on your screen. The conversation will be between you and the Cash App support. You have to state the problem that you have been facing on Cash App. You can simply write that I want to remove the sponsor on my Cash App account and then click on send. They will read and analyze your problem, and within 24 hours, they will definitely come up with some solution for you, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it for today, and this is simply how you can remove sponsor on your Cash App account. Make sure to hit the smash button and consider subscribing to our channel if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.